Alright, hey guys, today is the Student Involvement Fair here at BC, and at BC a lot of people do clubs, and that's one of the main ways that people make friends because we don't have Greek life on campus. So all the clubs just have a table and they're set up on the Stokes lawn, and everyone can just walk around and see what clubs they want to join. It's a great way to feel out what you want to do. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a note about the club fair. It might seem a little intimidating, but I think the best way to approach it is probably just to sign up for a bunch of clubs that you think you might be interested in, and as the semester or the year goes on, you can see what clubs you really mesh with and which ones you don't, and you can always stop going and drop the clubs that you don't want to go to and just find the ones that you really they really click with, and they're an amazing way to meet people. I met some of my best friends through some of the clubs that I've been in here, and it's definitely the best way, I think, to make friends and integrate yourself into the social scene here at BC.